Hey, what's up? My name is Clifford. I work from home and I work out from home. Nature is awareness of simple things. I lived in Miami from 2013 through 2014. I began my healing journey on the coastline, walking on the shore, throwing myself in the water, letting the waves crash on me, disconnecting from the stress of life and reconnecting with minimalism. The basics, the core elements, the foundation of this life experience. The concrete jungle of Brooklyn doesn't allow for disassociation, doesn't allow you to pause. Because even if you go home, even if you're living in some type of space, right, there is noise upstairs, downstairs, outside. Currently, I'm reconnecting with grass and food. Started a compost bin and excited to see what it becomes, excited to see the foods I've purchased, the foods I've consumed, repurposed into finite or infinite material, right? Excited to see them degrade naturally and to see the natural provide richness and vastness when it's allowed to do its thing, undisturbed, unbothered from human contamination. I'm also currently a hybrid worker, and I'm still learning how to reassess my time and find joy in this new responsibility, but also in this new lifestyle that I've cultivated for myself. I hope you do the same. Peace.